Alright. That'll be fun. A lot of fun. I've had this Ryobi charger for 3-4 years, something like that. It's OnePlus. Yeah, it's just the bog standard charger. And as we can see, the strain relief broke and didn't really relieve any strain. Stopped charging as of today. It's been doing this for a while and I've kind of just been letting it go until I get around to things you'll need if you're going to do this. Yeah, T10. Go or not? I might have to come back to that one. Oh no, this doesn't work with the extension bar. The extension bar is too fat. This is hideous. Thought it made my life easy there. But yeah, anyway, I've had this charger 3-4 years. It's fucking grand, like, you know, charges with the batteries. It's been rattling by the tool bag for ages. It does get abused. I mean, you can see, like, you know, the plastic and all's all torn up, like it has got the abuse. Batteries are still great though. Haven't really noticed any degradation from them. But I mean, they've mostly been used in the drill, which isn't too harmful to the batteries. That's better. Yeah, I think you need one of these micro driver kits that I have numerous ones of to get in here. I'm not sure, no, I can't reach it with a normal T10 1/4" hex. You might be able to do it with, you know, an extended T10. They are the security hold ones though, so it needs to be all those things. I really recommend these wee kits with this particular, any of the Chinese ones with this coating seem to be pretty good. Weirdly, it's all coppery colored, but it is actually not conductive. Anyway, Ryobi has been fine as a drill and dead on for the most part. The charger is a bit irritating though, you know, I mean, it is conveniently small. The fuck? Oh, that's a little too. And yeah, well, I did sharpen this the other day. I don't think I did a great job of it because it what was I doing when I was doing something really poor behavior wise. There. I have ABS, 17% glass fiber. I got the notion that it was because, I mean, where it's all chewed up, there's something about the way it marks that gives you an idea compared to, you know, how it breaks up whenever it doesn't have any reinforcement in it. It is a like solid little case. Why did I feel heat there? Yeah, so I'm gonna do like a double layer of heat shrink and I'll sort of bend it into that. What the fuck is going on over there? That one's fucked too. Ryobi, change your fucking cable. Strain debris. Green, black, red. Green, black, red. Green, black, red. Shall now immediately forget that. Oh! Reaching around my, what the fuck is that level? Yeah, my budget level slash budget tripod. Yes, we've now entered the realms of high science, and but at the same time, you know, both of them will win, and I mean, this one's completely broken. It's like the corkscrew holder, though. I mean, I should probably close the knife when I do that. I know it's going to be all ugly and foldy down there, but fixing the strain relief's of more importance to me. Besides, this is still relieving, you know, something or other. It's like, you know, it's a little skirt, you know. If I give it modesty, it'll be fine. Green, black, red. Wasn't it facing that way? How could I tell what way I had it around? Yeah. Oh, wham. As far as I'm aware, this elastic in your hole will ruin your day. Hi, anyway, you know. Drill, drill, drill. Is it good? Is it bad? It's fucking green, mate. Yours is red. His is teal. I mean, like, I will say at least Milwaukee have something inoffensive. You know, like, yeah, it's a little bit, you know, like, it looks like a co-star on Dino Trucks or some shit like that. Which my daughter loves, you know, because who wouldn't love a dinosaur monster truck? But, yeah, point being, I mean, like, this is definitely one of the more foul-looking things you can have. But as far as it being, oh, the worst in the bottom of the barrel, you know, it's far from it. Wait until you have used a fucking red devil. Because that is truly as bad as it gets. Wasn't mine, like, you know, I was asked for a land of a cordless somewhere and got handed the glorious red devil. Make a whole bunch of, you know what, red devil do one amazing thing. Apart from god-awful power tools, they do this filler. I love it. I fucking call it fluff. It is wall filler, but it sort of dries a bit rubbery. It's just got a million uses because it's a bit flexible. So right now all I'm doing is giving the LEDs a send because they're fucking blinding. I mean, like, they're really distracting. So if you have this in the same room as you when it's charging, you know all about it. Just blink, 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 I'm fucking green. That's just ridiculous. It's unnecessary. I mean, if it's at all dark, there's a big flashing green light in your room. That does get irritating, you know, when you're working on something. You know, I'm sitting there in some dingy fucking, I don't know, half-finished room in a house. More often than not, it's a friggin' bathroom too, which just adds to the joy. And this thing's just sitting there flashing away at me, irritating me. even more than is necessary. I mean, it's not as offensive as the colour of Ryobi stuff. Though it's kind of grown on me. I mean, like, it's easy to find. I mean, I've never had to look very hard for any of this. I remember. That's kind of fucking junky, isn't it? What's this thing not? Oh, right. Okay, fair enough. It is unwired. And this is part of the new strain relief system. Fuck you. Oh, right. Okay, there is a... This is ridiculous. So their actual sort of in and out strain relievers are fucking terrible. I mean, both of them are cracked. That's why this one's been heat shrink just there now. But all this whoop-de-doing through the case has got to be pretty good for keeping problems down. You know, it's not going to pull out easily no matter what you do. And it was glued in. So, I'll give them that. Fuck, aye, did I show you that? So, that there is your correct wire orientation in case you somehow manage to pull your transformer out. Or if you're swapping this plug for another country's plug for some reason. I don't know if that's... Yeah, it's not marked as being multi-voltage, so that is a plausible thing to do, though I don't know how you would end up with this and no charger. I'm guessing it provides, you know, a couple of voltages. And I suppose if I was really ambitious I could measure them, but why the fuck would I do that? And I could just get this dirty bastard back together and charge my other drill battery. Yeah, something like that. So, my point here is kind of to get the heat shrink into the shape of this. And of course it just wants to be hot as fucking melt into the wrong shape. I know that's not great, but I'll hopefully not crack into pieces the same way the other stuff did. Yeah, it's just a general garn about something or other. I mean, to be honest, I like this. This drill's not done me too much in the way of wrong. I think before I actually clip it into my save a battery, it still clips into it fine. Feels grand. Yeah, get a surprising amount of torque on them screws. Yeah, it's not slipping and it wasn't being a girl. So, oh, look at that. That light's not as blinding now. You can still see it's bright as fuck. I mean, even though it's out of the front of it, I know that's not really killing the brightness, but it was like a fucking laser beam tearing your eyes apart every time you're looking anywhere near it. We're grand. You never even know, as long as you don't look at this one.